Hello, I'm Matu Jamir and you're watching DI Hornbill TV. Kohima is ranked 10th out of the 100 smart cities and certified as enabled in the Data Maturity Assessment Framework 2.0. This was announced by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs during the 6th anniversary celebration of Smart City Mission AMRUT and PMAY on the 25th of June. Kohima is the only smart city in Northeast to make it to the top 10 and shares the 10th position with two other cities, update stated.
According to a statement that was received here on June 26, the Smart Cities Mission launched the Data Smart Cities Strategy in February 2019 as a roadmap for harnessing the potential of data to address complex urban challenges across 100 cities. To successfully implement this initiative, the Data Maturity Assessment Framework was also launched to encourage cities to strengthen their data infrastructure and facilitate them in assessing their readiness and maturity on data. The MAF cycle was assessed based on the following 5 pillars: policy, existence of robust policy mechanism in the city around data governance; empowerment, protection, collaboration and innovation; people, presence of empowered city officials with the capacity to guide the development of city data policies; managed data governance, drive interdepartmental and interagency data exchange and to build city data alliances. Process, effectiveness of the city's processes around data collection, usage, management, security, privacy, empowerment, collaboration and innovation. Technology, quality and robustness of the city's information and communications technology infrastructure, including digital platforms, sensors, IoT devices, data exchanges, big data and artificial intelligence. Outcomes, quality of outcomes around data-driven governance, ease of living, ease of doing business, collaboration and innovation in the city, the update stated. Some of the initiatives undertaken by Kohima for this framework are preparation of the draft city data policy, dedicated open city data portal data, analysis on critical data sets in sectors such as water, air, mobility, disaster, etc., appointment of data coordinators in state departments and few civil society organizations, etc. One critical and notable aspect for Kohima regarding the process pillar is that most of the data are with individual departments, and therefore the forthcoming and willingness of departments to share data with Kohima Smart City is laudable and truly appreciated. The continued proactive participation of various departments and citizens will be necessary to make Kohima a truly connected